When frozen temperatures busted water lines across the city, it left chunks of ice like this in alleyways like this one here in German Village.
The city of Columbus hired Kenmore Construction to help free cars trapped in the ice. Backhoes and shovels and bags of salt, crews tried their best to attack a sheet of ice at the corner of Brusk and Sycamore Streets in German Village. Massive chunks of ice were separated from tires and under the bumpers of cars that haven't moved since the storm hit January 25th. That's 12 days ago. The city reports 80 water line breaks since the storm hit. 44 of those have been repaired.
The water line that broke here has been fixed. The trick now for crews is chopping through the ice that's about 12 inches thick. Reporting in German Village, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.
Meantime, Columbus Mayor Andrew Ginther issued an emergency order to help pay for those repairs. That included $1.5 million in funding and hiring 3 outside contractors.